Welcome. In today's guide, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to set your caption text size to very large in Google Chrome. If captions are too small to read easily on your phone, this adjustment can make a huge difference in comfort and accessibility. Let's get started. First, open the Google Chrome app on your phone. Once inside the app, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice the familiar three dots icon, sometimes called the menu button. Go ahead and tap on it to open up the menu. From there, scroll down the list of options and select Settings. This is where most of Chrome's customization tools are located. Inside Settings, keep scrolling until you see Accessibility. Tap on that to move into the accessibility features that Chrome offers. Now, look for the option labeled Captions. This is where we can change the way captions display on your phone. Tap into this section, and you'll see more choices. Next, tap on Caption Size and Style. Here, Chrome allows you to personalize the look and feel of your captions, so they're easier to read in different situations. To change the size, select Text Size. A list of options will appear, ranging from smaller to larger text. For this tutorial, choose Very Large. Once selected, Chrome will automatically apply this setting. From now on, whenever captions appear while you're using Chrome, they'll show up in a much bigger, easier to read size. That's it. Your captions are now set to very large text. This adjustment is especially helpful if you watch a lot of videos with subtitles, if you have trouble reading smaller text, or if you simply prefer a bigger display. It's quick, simple, and ensures your experience is more comfortable. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to making your caption text size very large in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching.